There's someone else? I'm
This is
sorry.
Frankie Guzman.
Okay, sure.
This is Frankie Guzman from the National Center for Youth Law. I'd like to respond.
Mm-hmm.
I know there was a lot of comments and questions addressing, what is understood and maybe not understood about the legislature's proposal for this realignment. And I want to touch on two issues with respect to accountability and as well as the issue of facilities. And I would like to say that we have taken in terms of just developing a proposal of realignment that moves us towards a health-based framework and really focuses on youth development by developing a state agency that actually has expertise in youth issues. It is no longer acceptable or appropriate to allow law enforcement and corrections officials to dictate what is in the best interest, whether it's rehabilitation or development of young people who have experienced tremendous hardness to their lives, which is why we proposed an Office of Youth Justice that would have regulatory functions, that would have best practices and research capabilities to promote evidence-based best practices, and tying that knowledge to grant management, and as well as having an Office of Youth Advocate. And it's important that we have that, because otherwise we continue to build mini county jails, paint them light blue, and call them youth appropriate, right? And that's exactly what we're trying to move away from. I've heard comments from the probation chiefs asking for more money to renovate juvenile halls that I would like to push back on this idea that what we need is more facilities when I firmly believe, and you heard from Daniel Mendoza earlier, that most of these young people could be effectively treated in the community. So